Yosemite National Park in the USA is a popular place for rock climbers. The main reason is the famous 3,000 feet face of El Capitan. Hillary Timpson was an experienced climber, but it was her first trip to El Capitan. The weather was beautiful in the morning before she left, but the hotel owner, Old Ted, told her not to go climbing. Hillary asked Ted to check the weather forecast on his computer, and it was good. "I just don't like the way those birds are flying," said Ted, pointing at some birds in the sky. He told Hillary to take some extra warm clothes. She didn't want to argue with him, so she took some. However, Ted was right, and halfway up El Capitan, the weather changed quickly. There was a cold wind, and it started raining heavily. Within minutes, Hillary was wet and freezing. Luckily, she reached a ledge and put on her extra clothes. There was no way to get down in the storm. So, she took out her mobile phone, but before she could call 911, the emergency service, she dropped it over the ledge. An hour later, Hillary was still there, unconscious and freezing to death. When she opened her eyes again, she saw old Ted. He knew El Capitan better than anyone else. A rescue team was with him, and they carried her down to safety. She survived the cold because of the extra clothes. And when they reached the hotel, Ted said, "I saved your life twice today, you know." Hillary and Ted became friends, and he taught her all his secrets about climbing. Today, she's an instructor and helps climbers coming to El Capitan.